So Ondo launched his platform on September 3rd. And this is the market that is for people outside of the US, outside of Canada, and a few other places. But this is tokenized assets. Now let's dive in. Ondo Global Markets is now live, providing one of the largest ever selections of tokenized US stocks and ETFs on chain with the liquidity of traditional finance, starting on Ethereum. Keyword here is starting on Ethereum. So you got the speculators is thinking definitely Solana. They thinking XRP. People are hoping for Algorand. Base probably next, right? Those are the chains I'm watching, the Hederas, the Stellar Lumens. 100 plus assets now live with hundreds of more on the way. So these are stocks right here. So Ondo Markets, Global Markets launches with support from many of the world's leading applications and platforms, including you got BitGet Wallet, Trust Wallet, OX, Chainlink, Gateway. And then here's the list of where you can get access to these things. So they're building the open economy. What they keep showing here is the US stock market is worth 64 trillion. The global market is about 122 trillion. So the US is basically, 50% or more of the whole US stock market. Then we have China right after that, and then the European Union in third place with about 11 trillion. So those are the three big dogs. Obviously, the US is dominating. So we want to get that tokenized, and more money could flow into crypto. Because remember, again, with Ethereum, if they're using Ethereum, Ethereum is in position to capture that value. Institutions buying Ethereum, we all holding Ethereum, they stake Ethereum, then Ethereum gets used more and more. Staking yields, fees, everything just keep going into a flywheel type of effect. And then can't forget stable coins. All right, so again, 24/7 peer-to-peer transferability, 25 instant mint and redemption, access to traditional exchange liquidity, DeFi compatibility. So you can see right here the 24/5 for instant mint and redemption is still Monday through Friday, but the transferability is Monday through Monday. So you got the secured, verified, enforced. Ondo tokenized stocks and ETFs are fully backed and secured by US stocks and ETFs held at one or more US regulated broker dealers. So this is really legit for everybody who can tap in. And then for the Chainlink community, you got proud to partner with Ondo Finance on its early launched Ondo Global Markets initiative, bringing 100 plus tokenized US stocks and ETFs on chain by adopting Chainlink as its official Oracle platform for trusted asset price data. Ondo is driving enhanced DeFi composability and pioneering institutional grade on-chain finance at scale. Chainlink is basically saying they're going to benefit from all of this as well as being the main Oracle that brings the prices online. That is legit. And they also are in position right now that they're taking the revenue from these type of deals, and then they're purchasing more Chainlink to create a Chainlink strategic reserve, which should make price hold stable and go up, and then get other people to want to hold Chainlink as well. Smart move. All right, and here's an example from the BitGet wallet. We're rolling out access to tokenized US stocks and ETFs for everyone. 100 plus stocks and ETFs backed one-to-one, just like stablecoins. Includes stock dividends, that's nice, and freely transferable. Exchange grade markets and liquidity, zero fees, just buy and own. Wall Street is now for everyone. So again, in the US, we can already do this, but this is mostly for people outside the US. And again, if you look at it right here, pretty interesting. This is the image of what they're showing you, how it looks inside of their app. That's kind of crazy though. So again, all this is going to do is pump more of the stock market anyway. Passive income, gold in my dental. Thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple.